Techie here. Just to follow up on another story for us on Benro filters. I've been out in the last 2 or 3 weeks, much to my work colleagues' disgust that I'm away during a busy period, but that's the way it works. Pick a time and go. And I've been using grad filters, neutral densities, and in the middle of the day, which is not always the best time of day to shoot. So bright sunlight, using ND10s, dark ones like this, and shooting with them. We now have the landscape kits and the pro long exposure kits in stock. Please come and talk to us. I can show you lots of sample photos and what you can do with these. Are fantastic to use. There's a night filter kit as well, which I'll talk about in another video coming up, when we went shooting with at night and trying to get pictures of the Milky Way. On one of our trips we did down to the middle of the island, one of our colleagues borrowed this, all very excited, teach him how to use it, and unfortunately he fell in the river with it. He was more upset with his camera as well and got wet and hurt himself, but luckily he's fine. A bit of skin pride more than anything. He brought this back all really upset, knowing that Matt would be upset, and here's water was running out of the bag and it's dripping wet. We just cleaned it all up, dried the bag out, filters are as good as gold, there's no damage, much to Matt's disgust. He doesn't know yet about it getting wet, but you'll find out eventually, it'll be leaked somehow. But so yeah, so they are waterproof, they are glass, they're not plastic, so they will break, but they won't scratch. So yeah, come and have a look and have a play, and we're happy to talk to you.